Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ashrata KS. Now we shall discuss about angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Let us consider a plane curve whose equation is given by r equal to f of theta. Let O be the pole and OA be the initial line. And OP be the radius vector. Let P of r comma theta be a given point on the curve. This is a given point on this curve. Let PT be the tangent to the curve at the point P, which makes an angle psi with the initial line. Let pi be the angle between the radius vector and the tangent PT, and theta be the angle between the radius vector with that of the initial line. Angle AOP equal to theta, OP T equal to pi, and PTA equal to angle psi. Let x comma y be the Cartesian coordinates of the point P. We know that the relation between Cartesian coordinate and the polar coordinate. So thus we have x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. But how we have represented the curve? It's nothing but r equal to f of theta. Now here replace r by f of theta. So x equal to f of theta cos theta and y equal to f of theta sin theta. Now differentiate x and y with respect to theta. That is dx by d theta equal to product of two functions. Go for the product rule. F of theta as it is. What is differentiation of cos theta? It's minus sin theta plus cos theta into differentiation of f of theta is f dash of theta. Similarly, dy by d theta equal to f of theta into cos theta plus sin theta into f dash of theta. Now find out dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? It's nothing but dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta. Now divide these two equations. So you will get f of theta into cos theta plus sin theta into f dash of theta whole divided by minus f of theta sin theta plus cos theta into f dash of theta. Now divide both numerator and denominator by f dash of theta cos theta. Divide the both numerator as well as denominator by f dash of theta cos theta. Right. So f of theta by cos theta whole divided by f dash of theta cos theta means cos theta get cancelled. You will left with f of theta by f dash of theta. Similarly here f dash of theta get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Likewise here cos theta f dash of theta whole divided by cos theta f dash of theta. This will get cancelled. You will left with 1 and here you will left with f of theta by f dash of theta into tan theta. So look here, you will get this equation after dividing both numerator and denominator by f dash of theta cos theta. Okay, call it as equation 1. So now dy by dx is nothing but slope of the tangent, that is pt, which is nothing but slope of the tangent is nothing but tan psi. But what is psi? Observe the figure. What is psi? Psi is nothing but the exterior angle. What is exterior angle? Exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. That is exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. So psi equal to theta plus pi. So we have psi is nothing but theta plus pi. So dy by dx is nothing but slope of the tangent, which is nothing but tan psi. Psi is replaced by theta plus pi. We have dy by dx equal to tan of theta plus phi. Now use the formula of tan of a plus b. It's tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay, so instead of a and b, we are having theta and phi. So call this is equation 2. Now compare equation 1 and 2. On LHS, you are having dy by dx. Therefore, you can equate their RHS. Now compare these two equations. You are having tan theta here. Here also it's tan theta. So here you are having f of theta by f dash of theta, but this is tan phi. Now observe the denominator. The first term is 1. Here also it is 1. Again you are having tan theta and tan theta. Instead of f of theta by f dash of theta, you are having tan phi here and here also. So now comparing equation 1 and 2, we can write f of theta divided by f dash of theta is nothing but tan phi. But the curve equation are equal to f of theta. Now differentiate this with respect to theta. Dr by d theta equal to f dash of theta. Right. And f of theta is nothing but r. Now replace this f of theta by r and f dash of theta by dr by d theta. If you take this to numerator, you will get tan phi equal to r into d theta by dr. So thus the angle phi between the radius vector and the tangent is given by tan phi equal to r into d theta by dr. Angle between radius, angle between radius vector and the tangent is given by tan phi equal to r into d theta by dr. Okay, now we shall solve some problems. Find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent to the curve r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta at the point theta equal to pi by 6. And also find the slope of the tangent. First of all, we'll find out the angle between radius vector and the tangent. We know the formula. What is that? Tan phi equal to r into d theta by dr. So therefore, differentiate this curve equation r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta with respect to theta. So you will get dr by d theta equal to a, it's a constant as it is. Differentiation of 1 is 0. What is minus cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. Minus into minus plus. Therefore you will left with a sin theta. And the angle between radius vector and the tangent is given by tan phi into r into d theta by dr. Now substitute the value of r. What is it? It's a into 1 minus cos theta. But what is d theta by dr? We have already found out a dr by d theta. If you take the reciprocal of this, you will get d theta by dr. That is 1 over a into sin theta. This a get cancelled. You will left with 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. But what is 1 minus cos theta Harvagel formula? It's 2 sin square theta by 2. Then what is sin theta? What is sin 2 theta? It is 2 sin theta into cos theta. And the same manner, sin theta is nothing but 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 2 get cancelled, 1 sin get cancelled. You will left with sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2, which is nothing but tan theta by 2. So you left with tan phi equal to tan theta by 2, which is nothing but phi equal to theta by 2. is the angle between radius vector and the tangent. But they have asked you to find out the angle between radius vector and the tangent at the point theta equal to pi by 6. Now substitute the value of theta here. It's pi by 6 whole divided by 2, which is nothing but pi by 12. This is the angle between radius vector and the tangent. Now we shall find the slope of the tangent. Okay, slope of the tangent is nothing but tan psi. So we must find out psi. What is psi? Psi is given by theta plus phi. Theta they have given it's pi by 6 and phi we have find out it is pi by 12. So pi by 6 plus pi by 12. Simplify this by taking the LCM. You will have pi by 4. The slope of the tangent tan psi equal to tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. What is tan 45 degree? It's 1. Next problem. In the same manner, find out the angle between the radius vector and the tangent to the curve r to the power of n equal to a to the power of n into cos n theta at any point. Okay, so this is the equation of the curve. Take log on both sides, or otherwise you can directly differentiate this with respect to theta. Okay, so log r to the power of n equal to log a to the power of n into cos n theta. So log m to the power of n, that is nothing but n log m. And the same manner, what is log of a into b? It is log a plus log b. Again log m to the power of n formula, n log a log of cos n theta. Now differentiate this with respect to theta. N into log r differentiation is 1 by r dr by d theta minus, that's equal to, this is a constant, differentiation of this is 0. So log cos n theta differentiation is 1 over cos n theta into cos n theta differentiation is minus sin n theta into n theta differentiation is into n. Right, which implies here n get cancelled. You will have 1 by r dr by d theta equal to minus tan n theta, which implies if you take the reciprocal, you will have r into d theta by dr. Reciprocal of this is minus 1 by tan theta. But what is 1 by tan? It's cot minus cot n theta. Now observe the LHS here. R into d theta by dr is nothing but angle between the radius vector and the tangent, that is tan phi. So we will have tan phi equal to minus cot n theta. Now write this cot including minus by using tan. Tan of pi by 2 plus n theta. Pi by 2 plus n theta means it will be in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is negative. So therefore you will get minus cot n theta. So which implies pi equal to pi by 2 plus n theta. So this is the angle between radius vector and the tangent. So this is one more problem. Try to solve this problem similar to the previous problem.